Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tool and services provider. Today we present the Universal Milling Machine UWF3, a universal milling machine solution for workshops and manufacturing with large travel distances. The machine features an extremely stable and heavily ribbed bed made of high-strength grade cast iron with large-width rectangular guideways. The solid guideways are precision ground and surface hardened to constantly maintain high accuracy, being accustomed to the tough everyday production. The machine table offers plenty of space for clamping devices, and the large X-axis travel of 1000 mm allows working with large workpieces. Rapid feeds in all axes allow the table to be quickly positioned. Vertical and horizontal spindles each have their own drives with powerful motors and multi-stage gear shifting. All gears and shafts are hardened and ground and are characterized by their smooth running. The universal milling head can be swiveled in two planes and can be switched from horizontal to vertical machining in just a few steps. The combination of the two swiveling levels allows the main spindle to be positioned at almost any spatial angle. Long milling arbors can also be used in the horizontal spindle of the machine for horizontal machining. The new generation of our standard position indicators uses system-on-chip technology for a more powerful and more compact design. Integrating multiple functions, this new generation of Expos offers significantly improved control over machining processes, greatly decreasing downtimes and error rates. At KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer a variety of powerful milling machines and accessories. Contact one of your KNUTH representatives to find out more.